If you want to make your photos look sharper, cleaner, and more professional without learning complicated software, then this tutorial is for you. In this video, I'm going to show you how to upscale photos with AI in Canva, step by step, so you can improve image quality quickly and easily. Whether you're creating content for social media, thumbnails, presentations, or marketing graphics, this is a simple way to enhance your visuals in just a few clicks. And if you find this helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this. Let's jump into it. First, open Canva in your browser or launch the Canva app and sign in to your account. Once you're inside Canva, open the design that contains the photo you want to improve. This could be a social media post, a flyer, a presentation slide, or any project where image quality matters. If your image is already placed on the canvas, great. If not, upload it first and add it to your design. Now click on the photo to select it. This is important because Canva needs to know which element you want to edit. Once the photo is selected, look at the top toolbar and click Edit. This will open Canva's editing tools, including the Magic Studio features. Depending on your version of Canva, the layout may look slightly different, but the Edit button is the one you want to use. Inside the editing options, look for the Upscale tool. Canva's AI upscaling feature is designed to improve the resolution and clarity of your image, which is especially useful if the photo looks blurry, pixelated, or too small for your design. Click Upscale, and Canva will begin processing the image automatically. In many cases, the AI will analyze the photo and generate a sharper version with better detail. While Canva is working, give it a moment to finish. The amount of time it takes can depend on your internet connection and the image size, but usually it's pretty fast. Once the upscale is complete, compare the result with the original image. You should notice that the photo looks cleaner and more refined, with improved quality that makes it better suited for professional-looking designs. If the image still doesn't look exactly how you want, you can adjust it further by resizing, cropping, or repositioning it within your design. Sometimes a photo benefits from a little extra tweaking after upscaling, especially if you're trying to fit it into a specific layout. The good news is that Canva makes all of this very easy to do in the same place. When you're happy with the result, it's time to download your finished design. Click Share in the top right corner, then choose Download. This opens the export settings where you can decide the file format and quality. For the best results, choose PNG if you want a clean, high-quality image. PNG is usually the best choice when clarity matters and you want to preserve as much detail as possible. If Canva gives you an option to increase the size or quality, make sure to turn that on before downloading. This can help you get an even better final export, especially if you plan to use the image online or print it later. After that, click Download and Canva will save your upscaled photo to your device. And that's how you upscale photos with AI in Canva. It's fast, beginner-friendly, and perfect for making your images look more polished without using advanced editing software. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.